To get the data we need for this next step, monthly search volume and how hard it is to rank, we'll be using Semrush. It's a powerful SEO tool that shows you how often people search for a keyword, how competitive it is, and what kind of content is already ranking on Google, which is super helpful for spotting real opportunities in your niche. Semrush usually offers a 7-day free trial, but I've got an exclusive link in the video description and in the spreadsheet that gives you a 14-day trial instead. So if you haven't already, go ahead and sign up through that link, and we'll jump into the next step together. Once you're on the Semrush dashboard, open the Keyword Overview tool in the left sidebar. Then go back to your spreadsheet. You can click the first cell, and then hold Shift as you click the last cell. Then on Mac, Command-C to copy, or on Windows, Control-C to copy. Then go back to Semrush, and Command-V to paste in all the keywords in the list. Hit Search. Next, you'll see that we have this bulk keyword analysis results page. We want to take the key stats from this results page and plug them into the keyword overview results section of the sheet. The key stats we want to grab are the intent, volume, KD percentage or keyword difficulty percentage, and CPC, which stands for cost per click. You'll notice this list isn't in the same order as it was in our sheet. By default, it organizes it high to low by search volume, so be careful of that. I'll do one of these keywords with you. So here we have hiking that has an intent that is informational and commercial. So we'll go back to our sheet, find hiking, and change the intent to informational and commercial. Let's find our topic keyword volume then. Here we have 135,000. So we'll write that in here. Next, we need our topic keyword KD percentage, which is right here. KD is 86. Then last, we need our topic keyword CPC, 2.48 for hiking. Take some time and do this for each topic on your list. It'll take a little while, but once you're done, then we'll move on to the next step. Here's what it looks like once you've gathered all of the keyword overview results. Once you've finished gathering stats from the keyword overview results page, let's head to the keyword magic tool in Semrush in the left side nav bar. It'll already auto-populate the first keyword from the list, which is homebrewing in my case. Next, let's change the intent filter right here to only display commercial and transactional keywords. You'll have to hit apply. And you'll get a whole bunch of results here, but we're going to ignore these for now. What we care about at this moment for our scoring system is this summary. We have all keywords, total volume, and the average keyword difficulty of all the keywords. So let's grab the number for the total number of keywords here, 386. And we'll go over to homebrew, put that in, 386. We want the total volume, which is 73,800. And lastly, we'll need the keyword difficulty, which is 25%. The next keyword on my list is personal finance. So I'll go back to Semrush, and then we'll type in personal finance in the top search bar. And you'll notice the filters stay selected for intent. So now we just have to grab our statistics and copy them into our sheet. Go ahead and repeat this process for every keyword topic on your list. I'll admit it's a little repetitive, but once you get the rhythm, it goes pretty fast. And when you're done, you'll have a traffic opportunity score for each topic color-coded just like the trend score from earlier. Here you can see my traffic opportunity score. Green means there's strong volume, good intent, and manageable competition, which is a great opportunity. Yellow is still viable, but might need smarter targeting or more effort to rank. And red means low traffic, unclear intent, or high competition, which is not the best use of your time.